In order to set up a connection between the app and the flue gas measuring instrument, I first start up the app. The Scan button searches for all Testo flue gas measuring instruments with activated Bluetooth in the vicinity. I select the desired measuring instrument and the connection is activated. A pin may be requested before the initial connection is made. In this case, I use the pin 1234, which is valid for all Testo flue gas measuring instruments. If I want to reconnect the last flue gas measuring instrument used, the connection is automatically set up after the app is started. If the last instrument connected is not available, the app displays a list of Testo flue gas measuring instruments which have already been connected with the smartphone or tablet. By clicking on the instrument, a connection is made without the need for a new scan.